A young boy named Ethan found a small seed lying on the ground. He picked it up and planted it. Every day, Ethan watered the seed and waited for it to grow. 1 week passed, then another, but nothing happened. The soil looked exactly the same. His friends laughed at him. That seed is useless, they said. You are wasting your time. Ethan felt disappointed, but he continued watering the soil every single day. A month passed, still nothing. 2 months passed, still no sign of growth. At that point, most people would have given up. But Ethan remembered something his grandfather once told him. Just because you cannot see progress doesn't mean progress is not happening. So he remained patient. Then, one morning, after nearly 3 months, Ethan noticed a tiny green shoot emerging from the soil. He was excited. The seed had finally started growing. Over the next few years, that tiny shoot became a strong tree. Its root had spent months growing beneath the surface before anyone could see the results. And that's when Ethan understood an important lesson. Success works the same way. Many people quit because they don't see immediate results. They stop trying when progress becomes invisible. But the most important growth often happens where nobody can see it. Every effort you make today is building roots for your future. One day the results will appear. But first, you must be patient enough to keep growing. Vocabulary from the story: disappointed, feeling sad because something did not happen as expected. Patient, able to wait calmly without becoming upset. Emerging, beginning to appear or become visible. Beneath, under or below something. Moral of the story: never judge your progress by what you can see today. Sometimes the greatest growth happens quietly, long before the results become visible. Thank you for listening. Think better, speak better.